The Tonic Bar Corporation is pleased to announce its newest location. On December 1st, 2008, the Tonic Bar in New York City will celebrate its grand opening. Tonic's newest location is located on 1205 Main Street in the heart of New York City. Tonic's stores will open at 6 p.m. for invitation-only guests. A long guest list includes the who's who of New York, as well as a long list of celebrities who will be flying in from across the country and the world for the Tonic's grand opening. At this time, those selected guests will be invited to take part in the grand opening celebration. Guests will be provided a stellar dinner by world-renowned chef Alfonso Bayo and staff. After dinner, guests are encouraged to explore the bar while they are provided complimentary beverages throughout the entire evening. At 9 p.m., Tonic Bar CEO will cut the ribbon and unveil the newest location to the city of New York. He will be joined in cutting the ribbon by the 2008-2009 season cast of the hit show Heroes. At that time, the public is invited to come check out the new club and receive complimentary beverages until 12 p.m. Tonic will have their top bartenders from around the world to fly into New York City for this historic and memorable event. Top bartenders will be serving and mixing drinks all night for the extraordinary and can't-miss social event of the year.